So now I'm opening up my Prolon fasting mimicking diet box 4. And I've been documenting this every day. I had to log in, and I've done 1, 2, 3. Now I'm into 4, and 5 is waiting for me for tomorrow. So there's box 4. What does it say on the box? It says, "In it to win it." And on the back, it says, "Your body is in regenerating mode." And you may notice things have gotten a little easier. Stay centered and focus on your goals. So this is the stage where things are really starting to happen in your body. Now, what do I get for day 4 on the menu? So it says for breakfast, see, it says breakfast is, we're going to show you the L drink and so on. But every day it shows what it is. So here's the L drink. This keeps your body from losing lean body muscle. So what you do is you measure out how much, according to how much you weigh, put that in this bottle. And then I put in 2 bags of hibiscus tea, and I steep it in the fridge for a couple of hours, and that makes it nice and cold when I drink it. Then this morning I'm going to have with my coffee this fasting bar. Fast with food, it says. So this is my bar, and you'll see the ingredients on the back. Then I could have tea. I'll have tea later. Lunch is soup, which I mix with water. Carrot ginger soup. Just mix it with a whisk in the pot. I heat it up in a pot. Some people can do it in a microwave. Then you get the NR, which is your vitamins and minerals supplement. And into the soup bowl, I put a squirt of this extra virgin olive oil. And they give you some olives to go with it. I usually have those as a snack later. In fact, they do give you some as a snack later, olives, and with tea. And then for dinner, it's more soup. This time it's minestrone. I really love this soup. This is terrific. A little heartier. And then, of course, mix it with some olive oil for the healthy fats. And tonight, hooray, I get the Choco Crisp bar. This is everybody's favorite for a little evening snack, Choco Crisp bar. So that's what's in the box for day 4. And check out my other videos for day 1, 2, and 3. And then I'll be doing day 5 tomorrow.